So I'm back here working on this Steelman oven, and I noticed that the air proving switches are all detached. Air proving switches prove that your fan motors are going on the oven. So there's one over here that is, still attached by this tube to the burner, and it's been jumped. If you look at the bottom of it, those two wires are on the same post. That jumps and disconnects the air proving switch. So if it wasn't for that, this oven wouldn't be working at all. This is the inside of the air proving switch. That's a diaphragm that comes in and out depending on the pressure difference, and presses down on that little post right there, that little electrical piece, and shuts on and off the oven, and turns off the signal to the blower. There's the blower for the oven, there's a wall of the oven, and this is Dave the oven guy, and that's what we're doing today. We're analyzing the safety features of this oven, and I need to replace all of these for a safer world. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching.